Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden.
Good morning. I'm not gonna lie, the last week was extremely heavy. Feelings of grief. I'm not gonna get into it in this video. I don't know about you. I know everyone handles things differently, but when I'm feeling grief, I am taken out. I can't do anything. But I'm starting to get to the point of acceptance and being able to start being a little more active. And today is an active day. I'm supposed to be going to the farmer's market. Gonna go buy a plant, hopefully. I'm getting my first ever Reiki session, in-person Reiki session done, and potentially, if that goes well, going to look into getting attuned in Reiki. The only thing that I wish was different about today, it is a gloomy day. There's no sunshine on the forecast. Also, if you've been around for a while, you know that I have quite the onesie collection. You see me in them all the time, but I wanted to say I don't wear them every single night. Usually I sleep in my underwear, but if I'm filming a video, obviously I'm gonna cover up. So I slept in this last night. I do use them a lot, just not every night. Just wanted to put that out there. Some clarity.
Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden.
Tiny house update. This is a new addition. What is this called? It's not a tapestry. It is, can someone help me out? What is this called? I don't know, but it's cute. I like it. I got it in San Diego. I was there the other week. And then my mom was so sweet. She got me this little smart TV. As I mentioned, it was a really rough emotional week, and she was like, what can I do to help you? Can I get you something? Like, I'm gonna get you a TV. So she went and got me this and we hung it. And then one of my subscribers, Laura, got me this from my Amazon wish list. So thank you, Laura, for this. And with this, I wanted to remind you guys, people who utilize my Amazon wish list and help me get things for this space, I am actually gifting you back like my vision board workshop, or I have a 30 days of scripting, prompts, and action steps and meditation bundle, as well as offering coaching sessions. Again, I'll link that all down below. Also, I have to say, there have been some people, mostly people who aren't subscribed to me, who have made really rude comments about my wish list, even though I'm not just asking for things. I'm like, here, if you do this, you get these things for actually a discount. Triggered. Anyway, I mentioned earlier that one of the things I want to do today is get a plant, and I want to try to find something to fit here under the TV that will kind of cover up this electrical box. The only issue is this space is only about, well, it's 8 inches. The TV, 30 inches. So Jordanelle, who I'm going to get my Reiki done by today, her and her mom also own a plant boutique, so I thought I would stop in there and check out their plants. But yeah, just like a nice little plant right there. This was the only place that I could put you, but off to the farmer's market we go.
So how are you ladies doing today? It comes to $14.15. Okay, thank you ladies for coming down. You have a good day.
Ignore the dirty window, but how pretty is my driveway? It's like a jungle. That was a pretty small farmer's market, but I got some produce. Some sweet potatoes, asparagus, red and yellow onion, an assortment, ooh, I dropped it, of, oh gosh, other potatoes. This has a bunch of different kinds of mushrooms and things that are good for your brain and stress levels. So I take a little bit of this every morning. And then this is stress defense, and it is ashwagandha. I just take 2 gummies. I still love CBD for stress and anxiety, but I'm running low on this. So I try to use it sparingly when I really need it. I should probably get more. And I do have a code for this. This really helps. If you struggle with anxiety, this for sure. I will link it below. I'm gonna go hang up my new hammock.
Like just yesterday out in the yard, there on our backs where the sky was so dark, watching the satellites passing like dust in the air. And speaking of planets and distance and time, I reached for your hand and you reached for mine, and I knew that wherever you were, I would want to be there.
I've been doing a lot of this over the last week. I thought it would be nice to have hammocks in 2 different spots. Seriously, it's like being a baby rocked in a cradle. It's actually very meditative. Are you going somewhere? No. I'm going to the plant shop at 4:30. Oh, okay. So. Okay. And then over here, looks super messy right now, but my parents built out this fire pit last year. So I thought it would be nice, especially on those nice sunny days, to be able to sit down there and bring all my morning routine things and do my morning routine there, and then also be able to like do a meditation in my hammock. But it's also just really nice that this is like it's just this far from my tiny house. So to be able to just walk outside and I'm in the woods, it's nice. But let me show you the other hammock.
Your eyes seemed to cast a mysterious spell. I felt the uprising, a furious swell, while the black blink in the sky up above us kept counting the days.
This is definitely my favorite spot. Look how lush everything is, and you can hear the birds.
What will become of us? Song you sing, feelings too strong to keep hiding away, and the veil has come down and we stare at the blank-hearted moon.
I'm off to the plant shop and to my Reiki session. And don't get it twisted, this is a rare day. The fact that I'm leaving twice in one day doesn't ever happen. There are times that I don't even leave my area for an entire week. Besides like walking around nature, like I just stay on the property for the most part. Oh, there's my mom. So it's an adventurous day for sure. My Reiki session. It went really well, but I'm going to go ahead and get Reiki attuned, which I'm very excited about. Very excited about that. I'm gonna buckle in my plant so it doesn't go flying. Store haul. So the main thing I went for was something like this, and this is what I got. The plant, I don't remember, it was either 25 or 35, and then this was $22. I also got this little succulent. Is that what this is called? That's how like inexperienced I am with plants. This was $18. I also got some cacao. So this is a chai cacao blend, and this is just one serving. And then I also got Unwind Bioactive Cacao Blend, and it has CBD in it. I'll probably use this tonight. And then the last thing was this little starter plant. And the reason I got this, a purchase that I made in San Diego, was this little thing. And you put a little starter in it. Here we go. Cute. Just set it here for now. Crossing my fingers that this fits, and I think it does. Yay. And another little windowsill thing. Cute. And it is the time of night where I set up the vibes. The vibes are being set up. So since getting my TV, since my mom purchased my TV, I was like, well, since you did that, why don't you come over and we can watch stuff? So we've been watching season 2 of Sweet Tooth. So she is coming over in like 5 minutes. She's bringing Louise and she's bringing my dog Clifford, and we watch a couple episodes. Isn't that cute? Okay. There we go.
That question would become the biggest mystery of our lifetime.
There's my Luke. I can get you want to take her? Because I've got Clifford on the other.
Hello. Hi, baby. Look, everyone, Louise is in the tiny house.
Lou, it's so excited to be in here with your mama.
He's so excited to be here with your mama. Yeah.
Whoops, easy.
Cleve. Cleve.
Good puppy, good puppy.
Do you like that plant?
Third, one-on-one with my patient. Over.
To get us out in the open.
No. That woman would never harm any one of those mongrels. So, why did she do it?
Isn't she so cute?
Come here, kitty. Go back. Say night-night.
Thanks
Thanks for your entertainment.
until tomorrow. Cacao time. And that was my day. I know a lot of people around here love my manifestation videos, but since things have been a little tough lately and I've been going through some things, I'm not in that space. I'm in the nurture, take it slow, healing phase right now. So maybe you want to see some of that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. And again, thanks for hanging out. I'm just gonna watch a little more Netflix as I drink my cacao and go to bed soon. And that is all. Okay.
Tell you what, you make an offer, and I'll need guarantees. I'll take you seriously. I think that's fair.
I have the